one day. It is a great big elephant round the way. Going round talking, I'm sorry to say, about your mama and his scandalous way. Yeah, he talking about your mama and your grandma too. And he don't show too much respect for you. Now, you wasn't here and I sure am glad, cause what he said about your mama made me mad. Signifying monkey, stay up in your tree. You are always lying and signifying, but you better not monkey with me. The lion said, yeah, well, I'll fix him. I'll tear the elephant limb from limb. And he shook the jungle with a mighty roar. 44. He found the elephant where the tall grass grows and said, I come to punch you in your long nose. Said, pick on somebody your own size. But the lion wouldn't listen. He made a pass. The elephant slapped him down in the grass. And swung from really went to town. I mean, he whipped that lion for the rest of the day. Come see how the lion got away. But he dragged on off, more dead than alive. His signifying jive, signifying monkey, stay up in your tree. You are always lying and signifying, but you better not monkey with me. So this is the kind of music I grew up on. I didn't grow up in the church, so. What is that beat up mess I see? Is that you lying? To a feather well. That was rough enough. King of the jungle, ain't that some stuff? Don't you roar, I'll hop down there and whip you some more. Started jumping and jumping up and down in his, and he plunged to the ground. All 4 feet, about to grind that monkey to hamburger meat. Tears in his eyes and said, please, Mr. Lion, I apologize. No harm, please let me go. You really need to know. Signifying monkey, yeah. Stay up in your tree. We're on our way to Atlanta.
Better not monkey with me.
This is what this has to say. And that monkey scampered up a tree and he got away. Tell ya is if you fool with me, I'll sick the elephant on you again. He said, you jive. If you and your monkey children want to stay alive, up in them trees is where you better stay. And that's where they are to this very day. Signifying monkey, stay up in your tree. You are always lying, signifying,
but you better not monkey.
No, you better not. You are always lying and signifying, but you better not monkey with me.